So I'm gonna remove the fork cap. I'm gonna put some solder paste. I'm gonna put back the diode. Solder paste. I'm gonna put back the two power cable too. The two orange that I removed to test. So this one I'm gonna put it in the hole. This. Okay. Start it with that. Okay. That's good. The diode. Hold it a bit. Stack them fast. Okay, this should hold. I'm gonna wait a bit. Okay, we're gonna try it like that. So I'm gonna take a test for the diode. I unsolder all the diode here in the bottom. So plus minus. This one is diode. This one's okay. Something. Okay. One side is closed, one side is open. So just some testing here. I have all the diode rectifier on connect, unsolder in one legs. So this one here, I'm testing diode mode. Seems okay. Side's closed. The other side's open. It's good. The other one. Side's open. Side's closed. It's good. I switch it. Close. Close. Open. Close. Open. So all the diodes are good. I have some sketchy diode, maybe here. 620. They're still in circuit, those ones. So I got 6 something. And I have, come on, 2000. So 2000? 6? Yeah. The third one, it's different diode. It's completely closed. And maybe this one's wrong. Maybe it should not be closed completely. Maybe it's not doing the valve thing. Maybe it's the two first one that broken. No, it's probably the last one. Okay, after that I'm gonna check the cap. The blue cap here. It seems capacitance. It seems to have a polarity, but they all connect on the same side with the ground. But the writing is that way, that way, that way. I'm not sure. But like I said, they all in the ground, on the ground. This one here. 640. 670. This one here. It's out of range. This one is unsoldered. So now what do we want to do? I want to measure those two here with the ground. So if I check the volts, volt, alternative, yeah. Turn it on. Oops. No. Put it on. High. You can see here. So if I check the ground, this one here, 21, 31, and this one, 31, 31, 31. Okay. So I placed 2 multimeters for the bias. So I'm going to turn it DC. So in here, 2 DC 200 amp on standby. So move here. 26, 26, 27, 26. Oh, the other one go up. 46. So one should be close to 50, under 50, and the other one, the lower, should be at 25. So I'm kind of good. The lights, it's 25, 24. So what I want to do, I think I'm gonna switch the tube. So I'm gonna put it high, 31, 700 volt. So I'm gonna put it in standby again. 47, 46, 27 here, 26. Capacitor lower maybe. 26. You don't need to turn very much. It's very sensitive. 25, 25. 25. I'm gonna say 25 is good. I'm gonna tap on it just for luck. 25, 25, 48. So yes. So those are the 2 power transistors. I'm gonna test them with the multimeter and diode node. The black one on the first leg, the red one in the middle. 1000.800. This one here. So the first one is the wrong one. See, there's nothing. If I go on the third legs, there's nothing. And if the first leg here, second leg, I have number. And here I have a number too. This is wrong. If I do the reverse, this here, 515, 522, here, 515, 522. So this one Wrong. In the amp, I remove one leg of out of those cap to check them. This one seems wrong a bit. Yeah, it's not the same range of the other. I done the same for the black diode here in the bottom and the red one to check if they were good and on balance. So they're good. After that, the bias for those two. On the other side, I clean the board with alcohol, most of it, maybe to here, and I remove all the solder. So I put some soldering of mine, I remove it, pump it, all the solder until here, I think. So they're all clean and they're not gonna be cold crack or something. And yeah, I wanna change all those here. All the black one too, I wanna change them. This is like $5 for 10 or something. This is cheap, like 20 for $2 or something. So all the black one, I'm gonna change them for better, beefier one. And yeah, there's something else to change.